forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss inverse of a square matrix of order 3. Before this, यदि आपको मेरे लेक्चर्स के नोट्स पीडीएफ फॉर्म में चाहिए तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाके आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, obtain the inverse of the following matrix using elementary operations. There are two elementary operations, elementary row transformation, elementary column transformation. We can use any one. So first use elementary row transformation. Let A is equal to IA means elementary row transformation, ERT. Next step, फर्स्ट राइट मैट्रिक्स है 0 1 2 1 2 3 3 1 1 इज इक्वल टू आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स 1 0 0 0 1 0 into A. To find inverse of a matrix, you have to use following algorithm. Convert this left hand side matrix into identity matrix, and procedure is this. Please see. First introduce 1 at A11 place and then 0 at remaining place of column 1. After this second step, 1 at A22 place and 0 at remaining 2 place of column 2. And at last 1 at A33 place and 0 at remaining 2 places of column 3. So this is the procedure algorithm. So first we want 1 at that place. Clearly 1 is there in R2. So interchanging R1 and R2. Interchanging R1 and R2. One, two, three, 0, 1, 2, R2 at place of R1 and R1 at place of R2 and R3 as it is. Apply same operation in right hand side. R2 0 1 0 1 0 0 and 0 0 1 as it is. Next step, that place already 0 is there, 1 and 0 remaining place of column 1. So already 0 is there, so only that place R3 के प्लेस पे 0 लाना, तो R3 टेंस टू R3 प्लस अपोजिट साइन ऑफ 3, या सीधे आप ये भी लिख सकते हो -3 इंटू R1. Now apply this operation both the side. We have to change R3 only, so write R1 and R2 as it is. No need to change R1 and R2. अब now -3 into R1, -3 का R1 में इंटू करना हो, किसमें प्लस करना है R3 में. -3 और 3 0. -3 into 2 -6 और +1 -5. -3 into 3 -9 और 1 -8. -3 into 0 plus 0 0 -3 1. Next step, introduce 1 at A22 place. Already 1 is there. अब now 0 at remaining place of R1 column 2. So now apply R1 tends to R1 minus 2 R2. R3 tends to R3 प्लस 5 R2। यहाँ पे एक चीज हमेशा ध्यान रखनी है, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ R1 इज 1, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ R3 आल्सो 1। अगर R1 स्टार्टिंग में लिखा है तो लास्ट में R1 कहीं भी नहीं आना चाहिए, दोनों प्लस पे। सिमिलरली R3 है लास्ट में तो R3 कहीं भी आना चाहिए लास्ट में। अब नाउ सिंप्लीफाई। अब now write R2 as it is because no need to change. So 0, 1, 2 is equal to 1, 0, 0 into matrix A. अब now apply minus 2 into R2, minus 2 into this plus 1, so 1, minus 2 into this minus 2 to 0, minus 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus 2 into 0 0 0 plus 1 1, minus 2 into 0 0 plus 0 0। अब now plus 5, 5 into 0 0 plus 0 0, 5 into 1 5 minus 5 0, 5 to 10 minus 8 2, 5 plus 0 5 minus 3, 5 into 0 0 0 plus 1 1। Okay, now 1 8 A33 place means row 3 and column 3 this place, and at last place R3 tends to reciprocal of this, there is no other choice, R3, so multiply R3 by 1 by 2, so write as it is 1 0 minus 1 0 1 2, R1 and R2 as it is minus 2 1 0 1 0 0 and A। अब now multiply by 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 0 0, 1 by 2 into 0 0, then 1, 1 by 2 into 5 5 by 2, 1 by 2 this minus 3 by 2 and 1 by 2। अब now 0 at remaining place of R1 and R2 for column 3, so now applying again R1 tends to R1 plus R3 and R2 tends to R2 minus 2 R2, opposite sign of this minus 2 R3। सेम रूल R1 R2 को बिगिनिंग में तो लास्ट में कहीं भी नहीं आना चाहिए R1 R2, मींस रिमेनिंग रो ऑलवेज कम। अब नाउ सिंप्लीफाई। R1 plus R3 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, minus 1 plus 1 0, minus 2 plus 5 by 2 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, R2 minus 2 R3, so 0 1 and 0। now here minus 2 into this, so minus 2 into this minus 5 or 1 minus 4, minus 2 into this, so plus 3 and minus 2 into this minus 1, and write R3 as it is 0 0 1 and this is 5 by 2, this is minus 3 by 2, this is 1 by 2 into A। Identity matrix is equal to this into A, where this is A inverse, so therefore A inverse is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 minus 4 3 minus 1 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 1 by 2। Next problem, obtain the inverse of the following matrix using elementary operations। A equal to this, first step, let A equal to I8। now write matrix A, 2, 2, 3, minus 3, 2, minus 2, 3, 3, 2 is equal to I, identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into matrix A. Into matrix A. Now introduce 1 in A11 place. There are two options. First multiply followed by 1 by 2 in beginning. But in very first step अगर आप 1 by 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो फ्रैक्शंस आ जाएंगे. Then calculation is very tough. So first interchanging R1 and R3. Interchanging R1 and R3. So we get 3 minus 2, 2, 2, 2, 3 as it is, and 2 minus 3, 3. Interchanging R1 and R3. R1 in place of, R3 in place of R1, 3 minus 2, 2, and R1, 2 minus 3 in place of R3. Same operation apply in right hand side. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, and 1, 0, 0 into A. Now apply this operation. R1 tends to R1 minus R3, or R2 you can take R2 also. Here also 2 is there. Now 3 minus 2, 1, minus 2 minus 2, minus 4, 2 minus 3, minus 1, then 2, 2, 3 as it is, 2 minus 3, 3 as it is. Apply same operation in right hand side. R1 minus R2, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 1, minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, A. After this, 1, 1, 1 in A11 place. After this, 0 at remaining place of column 1. So, dead place or dead place means change R2 and R3. R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1. Opposite sign of this. And R3 tends to R3 minus 2R1. Now apply these two operations. So write R1 as it is. No need to change in R1. So write R1 as it is. 1 minus 4 minus 1. 1 minus 4 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 1, 0 minus 1, 1. Come now, minus 2 into R1, minus 2 or 2, 0, minus 2 into minus 4, 8 or 2, 10. Minus 2 into minus 1, 2 or 3, 5. 0. Minus 2 into 0 plus 0, 0. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 or 1, 3. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 0, minus 2. Again same operation. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Minus 2 into minus 4, 8 minus 3, 5. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 or 3, 5. Minus 2 into 0 plus 1, 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. And minus 2 plus 0, minus 2. After this, introduce 1 at dead place. There is no choice, so directly multiply by 1 by 10. R2 tends to R2 1 by 10 into R2. Next step, 1 minus 4 minus 1, 0 into 1 by 10, 0, 10 into 1 by 10, 1, 5 into 1 by 10, 1 by 2, 0, 5, 5 as it is equal to dead sign, 0 minus 1, 1, 0 into 1 by 10, 0, 3 by 10 and minus 2 by 10, so minus 1 by 5, 1, 2 minus 2 into A. After this, 0 at remaining place of column 2, dead place or dead place, here and here. So R1 and R3, R1 tends to R1, R3 tends to R3. अगर R1 है तो R1 ही लिखना है, R3 तो R3 ही लिखना है. अब अपोजिट साइन, so R1 plus 4R2 and R3 plus means R3 minus 5R2. So now R2 as it is, 0, 1, 1 by 2. Here also write 0, 3 by 10, minus 1 by 5, 8. Now, 4 into R2, 4 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 into 4, 4, 4 minus 4, 0, 4 into 1 by 2, 2, 2 plus minus 1, 1. Now 4 into 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 4 into this. 4 into this means 4 3 is 12 upon 10. 12 upon 10 means 6 upon 5 or minus 1. So 6 minus 5 or 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Now 4 into this. So minus 4 by 5 plus 1. So 5 minus 4, 1 by 5. So take care during this such type of calculation. After this, minus 5 into R2. Minus 5 into 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. Minus 5 by 2 or plus 5. So plus 5 by 2. Minus 5 or plus, sorry, minus 5 into 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Minus 5 into this. So minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 or plus 2. So plus 1 by 2. Minus 5 into this. So plus 1 or minus 2 minus 1. Now introduce 1 8 A33 place. Here 5 by 2 is there. So multiply throughout by 2 by 5. R3 tends to 2 by 5 into R3. 1 0 1, 0 1 1 by 2, 0 0 1. Multiply by 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 into 5 by 2, 1 is equal to 0 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5. अब now multiply by 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 into 1, 2 by 5. 2 by 5 into 1 by 2. 2 by 5 into 1 by 2. 1 by 5. Minus 1. Minus 2 by 5. Into A. अब now 0 at remaining place of column 3. So this time R1 tends to and R2 tends to. R1 tends to R1, R2 tends to R2. Opposite sign. So R1 minus R3 and R2 minus 1 by 2 R3. So apply this and this. Next step. 1 0 and 1 minus 1 0, 0 1 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, so 0 and 0 0 1. लास्ट टाइम आप डायरेक्ट भी लिख सकते हो विदाउट एनी कैलकुलेशन, कि हमने सोचे उस तरह से यहाँ या 0 लाना मींस आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स we get, so no need to check after this unnecessary. अब now here write R3 as it is 2 by 5 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5. अब now R1 minus R3, 0 minus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 0, 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5, so 3 by 5. अब now minus 1 by 2 into R3, R2 minus 1 by 2 R3, 0 और minus 1 by 2 to this, 0 minus 1 by 5, so minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 2 this, so minus 1 by 10, 3 by 10 minus 1 by 10 means 2 by 10, 2 by 10 means 1 by 5, and minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, so we get 0. Now this is identity matrix and this is matrix A, and when we multiply A into A inverse, then we get identity matrix. So this matrix is A inverse, so therefore A inverse is equal to minus 2 by 5 0 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5 1 by 5 0 2 by 5 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5. सीबीएसई में इस तरह के क्वेश्चन बहुत ही फ्रिक्वेंटली आते हैं, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, थोड़ा सा पेशेंस लगेगा आपको करने में. कैलकुलेशन बहुत ही शार्प रहनी चाहिए आपकी, जैसे 1 by 2 3 by 10 कैलकुलेशन इज लिटिल बिट टफ, थोड़ा सा अगर ध्यान रखेंगे तो आप अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल टेक एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.